I want to show you something that is incredibly simple to do inside Adobe After Effects. As simple as it is, it can help you solve complex animations that should have taken you hours to do in just simple clicking and dragging. And this can be helpful while doing complex animations like SaaS animations. So boot your After Effects. Let me show you how to do that. So once you are inside After Effects, you first of all bring in your element. It could be text, images, or even Adobe Illustrator file, or you can just simply create any shape or element. For in this case, I'm going to create just a simple ellipse. So I'll just create this. So once I create this, I'm going to move the anchor point to the center, of course. So once you click the anchor point tool, hold down Control key or Command key if you are using Mac. So double click on the anchor tool, then hit V on your keyboard to activate the drop tool. So you can see this is your element. You can move it around freely. This depends on the kind of motion you want to have. You can move the anchor point to any point, of course. This is not written on stone. So once you have this done, all you need to do now is go to Windows and then enable the motion sketch tool, which is this one. So once you select it, it is there. So once you select it, it is here. So what you can do here, this is pretty self-explanatory. So let me expand this so that we can see it a little bit more. You see, once you are on the window here by the right side of your screen, you can see some of the parameters you can modify. You can make it happen on the background while dragging this element. You can also determine what time you want to start and what time you want to end it, then the start button. Just a very simple interface. So, normally if you are making animations, you will need to enable scale, position, and all of that rotation to be able to animate this thing dynamically. And sometimes to even get a very complex motion, you need a lot of keyframe or even time to create smooth motions or some kind of behavior for the element. Actually, this is very common with SaaS animation. So now to solve that problem, you just need to activate this window. So once you activate it, you just hit start. Make sure your time indicator is where you want to start or something. So, or you can set the time here if you like. So let's say I'm starting from 0 because this is just an example. So I will just click start caption, start capture. Start capture will do the job. So once you click on it, then you come here, you click on this and create a motion. So the more you move it, you can just move it fast out of the screen and it will happen that way. You can see a lot of keyframes that have been created. You see here. So if you play back, you see these are all the keyframes. If you hit U on your keyboard, you will see the keyframe we only did for positioning. There is no rotation. So usually to create this kind of information, let's preview this. You see the impact it has because it follows the dynamism of our mouse movement. So let's see how it is. You see how it went fast toward the end, and you can still adjust these keyframes individually. Ease them and whatever you want to do to rate, just like you do to your usual keyframe. But normally to do this kind of animation, it takes longer than this, and you can do much more complex thing than what you have seen here. So I urge you, or I encourage you to go and try it out to see how it can be helpful in your project. So instead of going through manual keyframing, you can use this motion sketch to achieve complex animation in your SaaS animation. I have used this to solve multiple tasks in just few clicks. So let me know what you think about this, what you are going to use it for, and let me know if you have heard of this before or if you have used it in any of your projects. I am back and I'm going to be showing you how to do the SaaS animation like the Zillow style we started before. So I'm going to complete that series, okay? Until I see you on the next one, my name is SSB Otaru. Keep creating.